I know there's a specific name for it. Can't think of it now. Um, but yeah. The air motor circulator or whatever. Oh. So we're gonna get the T25, which is over here. Alright, I think that's it. 1, 2, and 3. Is that? Oh no, there's a 4. There is a 4. Okay. See if I can get this out. I know I need to mess with the wires. Move those out of the way. There we go. It's out. Just gotta pull that one out. Go. Man, there's a special fungus that I found growing on these wheels, the wheels on this car, and now I just found some here on the back of the motors. Found it on the brick of my house, even my friend's house out in her ranch house out in the country. Give me a moment though, guys. Just a moment. Okay, we got the motor out. This one looks really new. I don't know how the year is arranged on this, but I'm going to give you guys a good look at this. This looks like a really new one, like much newer one. And water just came through it. I'm guessing it's just been wet from out there, but here, I'm gonna hang on, guys. Shut my light off. So I'm gonna give you guys a glimpse of this. So there you go. 02/11/05. That could be February 11th, 05, or that could be 11/05/02, or 05/11/2, whatever. Anyways, this is also gonna be for sale. So, yeah. There's that. I'm gonna go ahead and turn my light back on. So we got that out. I'm not going to worry. I don't think I need to worry about anything else back here. I'm assuming you guys are probably going to want some of these motors. Now, when I drove this the last time, actually the last however many times I've driven this, the climate control functioned perfectly. So when I adjusted it to my feet, it worked. To the face, it worked. Face, feet, it worked. You know, what is it? The air circulation and the outside coming in and all that. All those motors work. So, if you guys need these motors, I need you to let me know. I might even take them out and post them just to be sure that I'm not going to waste them. So yeah, let's go ahead and we might wrap this. We're probably going to wrap this up. I don't really want to. But maybe we will knock this out. I don't know. I don't know for sure. So don't quote me on that. Well, that's cool how that works. That is really cool. I would have to get the adapter over there though. Yeah. I know there's some bolts here. There's that one right there. Yep. I think that's one right there. I don't know. I know that there's one right there for sure. Anyway. And those have the same clip on the other ends of them when they were hooked up to manual transmission on top. So, and I'll show you guys that when I do finally get that done. So that will definitely not be fun. But I'm going to go ahead and mess over here a little bit. I'm going to go ahead and give you, just in case I don't continue, I'm going to at least give you guys a close-up. So here we go. right, guys. I'm going to go ahead and turn my light off. That might... Oops. Whoops. Sorry. That might give you guys a better view. So, this mount absolutely annihilated. And this was while I was still driving it. So, 2. I'm going to actually give you guys a side on this one, too. Yep. There's the first 2. And then the 3rd. And then, oof, number 4. Number 4. There it is. My goodness. So, that was that. And I was going to show you guys something else up close, and I can't remember what that was. Anyway, yeah, that's pretty much it. So, I'm having trouble tracing back the head unit, the main head unit wiring harness wires, which would be some of these. So at some point I am going to trace those back to where they go in the dashboard. And from there, I know I was going to show you guys something else. Anyway, that's pretty much it. I think I might tear out all the wiring and the whole fuse box without y'all. I'm not sure. I don't know. I really want to get it done tonight, but because I do have a whole bag of electronics already. Lights. Well, hang on. Not lights, but charging devices, wiring, and some other stuff. So I'm gonna let you all go. I hope you guys enjoyed this. The information, the learning, and the funny stuff, or goofy stuff, or stupid stuff. I hope you like all of it. I will talk to y'all next time. Have a good night.